Well, this is a short drive from my workplace to home. I'm just trying out this Sygic Dashcam. The biggest problem that I see vibration, which is probably because of the effort to really adjust it well. For now, I'm really not sure if it'll be a good choice. I use a dedicated dash cam too, but the video quality is bad. Not really bad, but it's not as good as my iPhone. The second or the most important thing is the sound quality. So this is also another thing that I'm going to check in this video. So, oops, I got a little scared by that taxi. Yeah, also this video is a night shot, as you see, and my phone is an iPhone XR. Not sure if I'm spelling it right. Is it called 10R or XR? See that shake? When I do this, I realize that my dashcam is actually well built, because I never had this issue of a shaky video. So let's just see, how it works out. I'm honestly not very impressed with the Sygic navigation. It was like $25, and that's the reason why I just went ahead and bought one. But honestly, okay, one of my main reasons to buy that was to have an dedicated offline map on my phone. For those areas where there is no network. Actually planning a Grand Canyon trip. It's a little far off. Must be at least 6 months from now. So just to ensure that I have all the required maps loaded, just in case I'm down under in canyons, or say I'm in the north side of the rim and there's no network. So just to ensure or double protect myself with
you are over the speed limit.
With those conditions, I've kind of bought my Sygic. I've already bought a Sygic for my Android device. Surprisingly, you need to buy one for your iOS and you need to buy another one for your Android, which is quite funny, because I'm the single user, but it's okay. Since it was just went ahead and bought it. Well, there are these additional features that we get with this. That's a dash cam. Then it has a dashboard which shows your inclination, the G-forces. Then you also have a dashboard display, which is pretty cool. But then again, you need to see how you're gonna put it up. I tried doing that, and for some reason I was getting a glare.
You are over the speed limit.
It was like more of a two-side glare, which is okay. I need to still try. Honestly, since I've not done any long drive after having this, it's not the right comment. But I was disappointed when I bought my Android Sygic. I was using it for one of my long road trips in India, and it really screwed things up for me. So I hear an ambulance, but I don't see people moving. fast. Usually that's not the case. Folks here are very, very sensitive to the emergency services. The emergency service always has a priority. Somehow, I don't know, maybe it was the wrong place, wrong time. That ambulance got stuck pretty badly. It's on its way now. See how the video turns out to be. And I'm very sure it's pretty bad right now because I can clearly see the video terribly shaking. So it's not a very nice thing. Buenas noches, amigo. Gracias. What I also plan to do is, if it works out well, I might plan to install Sygic on one of my other iPhones, which is just like home. It's an iPhone